You know what I absolutely cannot stand? It's the fact that some people who might be younger than the age of Service 36 or close to the actual age of Service 36B, I'm sorry, I meant B, tries to lecture me about the not usefulness of Service 36B. For myself, as a literal 10-year-old in 2009, I have witnessed the introduction of Service 36B, and over the years, I know what purpose it's trying to serve. So, I mean, I feel like sometimes I'm just talking to like a bunch of 5-year-old kids. Because here's the thing, why would you take TEL all the way down south to Marina Bay and then take Circle Line up north in the complete opposite direction just to reach Promenade instead of taking Service 36? And not to mention that TEL is all stops. Circle Line is also all stops. But 36, once it hits the expressway, it is pretty much non-stop up till Suntec. And 36 just takes you directly to Suntec without having to go south then north. And this literal dumbass tries to lecture me that
we don't need 36B because there is already Service 36. 36B has like a higher degree of duplication as compared to the MRT.
And then I'm like, where the fuck is the duplication? In the first place, like, Suntec has no TEL, Bras Basah has no TEL, Dhoby Ghaut has no TEL, Somerset has no TEL, Delphi Orchard does not have immediate access to TEL as well, which is why 36 takes you doorstep, like the benefits of it. And the same idiot tried to lecture me that,
did you know that Service 36B only operates on weekdays?
And then I'm like, it's a supplementary service. When 36 gets crowded, people could enjoy an emptier bus in the form of 36B. Why? Because it's needed. It's a frequency booster on weekdays. That is its purpose. In other words, 36 only needs the frequency booster during weekdays and not weekends. I mean, that's the purpose of a supplementary service in the first place, to boost frequency and not for any other reason. So, don't be a coward and start deleting your comments. You gotta own your words, okay? If I see you commenting something stupid, obviously I'm gonna tell you off for it. It's like, sometimes I just want to say, like, if you are younger than Service 36B, you should not have any right to comment. But again, we should give people the space to learn, right? So, okay. But the thing is that, like, sometimes I be nice to people, they take advantage of it and they start commenting bullshit. So I cannot remain nice to them. Like, some people just don't understand the difference between the concept of a supplementary service versus like MRT duplication. Whether said duplication is needed or not is a whole nother story. But in this case, it's literally just a supplementary service. And literally no more than that. No, it's like when I saw that comment, right? This is the same kind of idiot when they would say,
after TEL connects to Changi Airport, Service 36 will be withdrawn because of duplication.
because they don't even understand the purpose of like 36 being spared from it. It's spared from it now, and it will be spared in future as well, for good reason. Can you imagine that people don't even have like a basic bus service to the city from the airport and only have to rely on trains? Like, what would this say about Singapore's transport system? And the thing is that, like, 36, right? People have luggages on board, typically. And that alone would would make it so that there is already less standing space because the people who are like carrying the luggages, they take up space with their luggages. Nothing wrong with it, but I'm just saying, as a matter of fact, it takes up space. So all the more you need 36B to cater towards people who aren't even heading to the airport in the first place. And 36B would be able to turn around faster so that they could maintain the frequency for people traveling only from Marine Parade to Suntec and then to Orchard area or Orchard Boulevard, Delphi Orchard. The first misconception, obviously, is not knowing the definition and the purpose of a supplementary service. It's not even related to the MRT at all. And the second misconception is thinking that Service 36 route and the MRT's route with transfers is exactly the same. No, it's not. Geographically, they are not even the same in the first place. If you don't even understand this simple geographical concept, just shut up, please.